Let's see how to add message delays for your chatbots. So here I'm in a demo account. So let me show a basic chatbot flow and how to add message delays. So here let me go to the flows over here, and in flows let me actually create a new flow right here, and let me name this flow as chatbot message delays and click continue right here. So there are two options for you to delay a particular chatbot message. For example, if you want to delay messages within each blocks, you can do that. For example, let's say you send a text. Let's say you send a text hello, and you want to wait a few seconds. For example, you can simply add this particular typing delay right here. For 2 seconds, it simply wait, and after 2 seconds, it will simply send them another message. How are you? So here you can actually increase the message right here. A typing or wait. So wait means it simply wait for 5 seconds and send the next message. If you have the typing switched on, it simply works on the supported channels like Messenger. It will show a typing icon within a particular message right there. So let's actually use the typing right here and send the message how are you in 5 seconds. So this is if you want to delay like for a few seconds, you can use this particular wait delay within each of these messages right there. Suppose if you want to wait for like minutes or hours or few days, then you can actually use this particular wait delay feature right here, and here you can actually wait for a few seconds, minutes, days and hours as well. For example, let's say you want to wait 1 day and send an email to a customer or SMS to a customer. You can easily do that. So here let's say you want to send an email, you can choose the send email option right here and add this email block. Here you can simply create whatever the email you want to send to the particular customer. Likewise you can do for the SMS as well, but let's say you want to send a follow-up message in whatever the channels they are chatting. So here this says Omni channel. For example, if they are chatting on Messenger, then this particular message will be supported through the sent through the Messenger. And let's say you want to send the follow-up message in the Messenger itself, you can simply use let's say I want to send a message in like seconds. Let's do like 30 seconds. So here initially hello 5 seconds, and here after 30 seconds I want to send them another message, and let me say this message as this is a message sent to you after 30 seconds. So here you can even have your own emojis. Those kind of things are possible. So let's add this emoji, a wait emoji right here. So this, the customer will, after 30 seconds they will receive this wait emoji and also this particular message as well. So let me click publish right here. So you can actually test this particular thing on whatever the supported channels, because we actually choose the message type as Omni channel right here. So let me actually test this on the Messenger right here. So let me create a keyword right here. So let me create a keyword and let me create add right here. Let me set the user message as 99. So if a particular customer send 99, then this particular chatbot automation will be triggered right there. For example, let me choose the flow over here, and we have to choose the flow name is chatbot message delays. So let me search as chatbot message delays. So this is the flow we want to trigger when the user message is 999. Let me save it. Alright, so this is active as well. So now you can test this on whatever the channels you have already connected right here. So let's test this on the Messenger or Facebook. So let me send that particular 999 and let's see what happens. So it should send us hi, and after that it should actually send us hello. So it's sending us a message hello, and it will wait for 5 seconds I guess, and it says it's showing the typing because we choose the typing right here. For example, typing right here, and it says how are you, and it will actually wait for like 30 seconds before it actually send this particular GIF and this message as well. So let me actually test the same thing on the website as well, or web chatbot as well. So you can simply click on get published link and choose web chat. Copy this one right here. I just copied. So as you see, after 30 seconds we receive this GIF, and also this is the message sent to you after 30 seconds. So here we in the web chat we received the same messages right here. After 30 seconds we also received this particular message as well. So by adding a wait delay block or just typing waiting right here, you can simply add any sort of delays over here. So let's say if you want to use our free templates right here, so let me actually go to the flows and choose the free templates over here. So let me go to the flows, choose all free templates, and here you can even add wait delays to our free templates as well. So this is a chatbot lead generation plus customer support free template, and let's say you want to delay this AI response for like 1 minute. So let's say a particular customer sends you a message and you want to delay that particular response by 1 minute. You can simply add the wait delay block right here and choose 1 minute, and before you send this particular AI response to the customer, you can simply add 1 minute delay over here and send the AI response. So whenever a particular customer asks a question, it simply wait for 1 minute and send the response back to the customer right there. So that's a quick video on how you can actually add message delays for chatbots. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments. Thank you.